Hello everyone,
Hi.
and welcome to our first Maker Monday of the new year. I'm Mr. Andrew.
And I'm Miss Tracy. We're at the library, that's why we're wearing our masks.
Yep. Trying to be 6 feet apart here too. Social distancing and everything. It's very important. So if we remember from last year's Maker Monday, the idea is we're going to try and issue you out there a challenge to try and build something and kind of make an experiment out of it. So this week we're going to be talking about something that I like to call fairytale architecture.
Yeah. They
So-
might know this story. I bet you do.
You think so? Well, you know, once upon a time there were these 3 pigs. You may have heard of them. There was one who built his house out of straw, another who built his house out of sticks, another who built his out of bricks. There was a wolf, he came along, blew apart a couple of those houses. The brick one stayed up. It's a whole thing. So today for our challenge, you guys are going to be trying to make some houses of your own and see if you are able to blow them down with different kinds of structures and building materials. So what do we have today, Miss Tracy?
Yeah, what do we have? So, we, of course, need the house made of straw, the house made of wood or sticks, and the house made of bricks, right? So, I love this. This is just hilarious. For the house made of straw, we're going to actually provide paper straws. And by the way, you can get these building materials as a kit at the library. If you have them around your house, great, but we have them available for you, so you can come pick those up. Anyway, so yeah, straws, which we're going to provide little things of tape, and where you would kind of build a structure using tape and the straws, and of course you can cut them as well.
Those are cute. I like those little tapes there.
Yeah, aren't these little tapes cute? These little washi tapes?
Yeah, this is the first time I've had to get a good look at them. So.
Yeah. And then for your house made of sticks or wood, well, toothpicks and marshmallows do the trick. I have a feeling that a lot of you have worked with toothpicks and marshmallows in different STEM or STEAM activities at school. Even here at the library, we've done it before. But it's very fun. And the more stale the marshmallows, the better.
Yep.
So that kind of gives you an idea of where you can go with that. What do you have over there for bricks?
So for our bricks, I think you guys are going to love this. We've got Legos. So if you have Legos around your house, try and use those to try and build your brick house up. We've got all kinds of different shapes and sizes of bricks here. With a little base here. So if you have those around your house, use those. But if you do not have Legos around your house and would still like to try this experiment, we're going to have a bunch of these Lego kits available for checkout at the library. So just let us know if you're interested in that and we can check those out to you.
Yeah. All right, our house of straw.
So as you can see, they're pretty easy to cut there so that you can get different lengths of straw here to try.
Yeah. And then we're going to provide you with a little bit of tape so you can see if you can get some taped up together here to make little walls.
Oh yeah, that looks great.
Yeah. You can keep going to make your walls for your house of straw.
And there's your straw house.
That's a good start to a straw house, straw structure. And then the marshmallows and the toothpicks for your house of sticks. There's a base of some sort.
There you go.
Or
And
a
you can build
window.
up from that. Yeah.
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 Yeah, what about bricks, we think?
All right, so for our bricks, we're gonna start with a little bit of a base here, and we'll see if we can get some different kinds of length of structures here to try and get a nice base going here. I'm trying to kind of make it a little bit even if I can, so that it's kind of a, you know. So there we go. You see, that's the kind of base that we can start with, and then we can use different sizes and lengths of Legos to kind of build up from there. As you can see, I've kind of gone with a more narrow base for this particular go. But it's all up to you, whatever kind of a, you know, structure that you would like to build with this. That's the experiment.
That's the experiment.
Yep.
We're so eager to see what you make.
Definitely are. And for a little added fun for your huffing and puffing part of the experiment, we've included a balloon for you to blow up and try and blow that structure down. So, we hope you have fun with blowing that up and seeing how much air you can expel onto your structures here.
So we want to invite you to be very good scientists while you're conducting these experiments here. You know, so you're going to want to make a prediction about which structures you think will be the strongest and stand up to the huffing and puffing and blowing the houses down. And then, of course, test your hypothesis and see if you were right or what you think affects the results, right? Mr. Andrew actually wrote some great questions here. Like, which house will be the strongest, which will be the weakest, which will fall down the fastest, and which won't fall down at all. So these are the questions you can ask before you conduct the experiment.
Mm-hmm. And it's a good idea to also conduct the experiment a couple of times because there are a lot of factors that could affect your results. Like, for example, what would happen if you built something with a wide base? Or what if you built something that was tall and narrow? And how would that affect with the different building materials? Like if you built a straw house with a wide base, do you think that would blow over? Or if you built a tall brick house, what do you think would happen with that? So these are the kind of questions that you should ask yourself while you're kind of going over this experiment a couple of times. Now, we'd like to see where the experiment takes you here. So, if you try this a few times and you find some designs that you like or you would like to share your results with us, show those to us. Post those up on social media, on Facebook and Instagram with our hashtag Brentwood Library PA. We'd love to see what you come up with. We're very excited. All right, well, get out to those experiments and we'll be eager to see what you come up with.
Yeah.
See you next time, everybody.
See ya.